Welcome back. We are picking a problem now. Subarray division looks really hard. Migratory birds. Let's try to get a really high success rate one. Oh, here's one. Service lane, okay. Drivers drive on the freeway, the check engine light is on, and they want service immediately. Luckily, they're the service lane. Oh, that's nice. You'll be given an array of WIS at a point, and then the entry and exit points. So cases is what you're considering WIS, and then what is N? Oh, N is calculate the maximum size vehicle that can travel the segment of the service lane safely. So I would like to see Alright, so we have the size of the WIS array. WIS array just has numbers in it. Okay, so N in T. N is the size, the WIS array, and in cases. Starting indices to consider. Oh, T is just telling you how many. Okay, so N is how many are in the WIS array. One, two, three, four, five. Oh, okay, I think I understand what's going on. You find the smallest point, right? Because this is 6 to 7. Oh, this is a really fun problem. Okay, so actually, first, let me print len of cases. So the reason why I'm doing this is I want to see whether it will actually give me the amount of cases. So yes, it will give me let me double check on this. Alright, so it is giving me the amount of cases. So that's really helpful. So now that I have the number of cases, I know that I can do the logic for x in range 0 len cases. Okay, so now that I have that, so for each len in cases, please tell me n is the array. The size of the WIS array. So how do I actually access the WIS? Okay. No, WIS print WIS 0. Two. So let's see. Okay, so I'm able to access the WIS array. So for x in range len cases. Okay, so max WIS equals an empty array. And so for x in range, it will append. So max case WIS equals 0. Oh, no. It needs to be a really big number. So basically what we're doing is the max case WIS is a really large number, and then we check if second. Oh, no, I have to use a different. So for y in range, and then 0, and then cases, len of cases of x. So for y in range of the case, we're going to see if cases so I'm Googling how to reference the value of an array inside of an array. Oh, no. Okay, I got it. Okay, so it needs to be len cases x and then 0. Oops. And then this will be 1. So basically this is the left parameter of where we're trying to find the width of, the minimum width of, maximum width of, and this is the right parameter. So these two encompass the whole lanes. So now for this, how do we get the width? Okay, so if n of y is less than max case w, then max case w equals n of y. And then this one will append it, and then at the very end we're going to return max w. So we're going to do max w dot append max case w. I'm expecting I get some random runtime error. Oh, forgot a colon there. Oh, there shouldn't be a len. Should just be all natural. Okay, there we go. What is this saying? int object is not subscriptable. I remember getting this error before. I forgot how to deal with it. So right, so this is an integer. I remember it was like the data data types are wrong. N should be an array, right? Huh, interesting how one of them works. Let's see how many work. Okay, so that's 5 out of... Okay, so we have a 7 out of 12 success rate. Cannot argue with that. So for x in range 0, len cases, max case. If the width is less than max case is replaced by width y. Then we append cases x0, cases x1. Yeah. Yeah, because that starts there. So then it would check for y6. Oh, I think we need to do -1. Okay, so this is not asking, that is not helpful. No, actually, this is the right indentation. This line is where I think the error is. Yeah, there needs to be like a -1 somewhere, but I'm not sure where. So 1. So case range starts at 1. Okay, so let's see which variable is wrong. So this says 1, so the case says 1, but it should be 0. which means that it won't be checking the right place. Okay. Let's try it now. Oh, no, the index. Wait, no, that is right. Because you have cases x, right? That's correct. And then 0. And then all of that minus 1. Yeah. Alright, I guess I'll figure this out in a different video.